Welcome, dear viewers, to a tale as intriguing as it is unexpected. Let's unlock the secrets behind MRF's meteoric rise, shall we?
Picture this: 1946 post-war India, a young nation finding its footing, brimming with hope and potential. Amidst this backdrop, MRF begins its journey crafting toy balloons, a humble start for what would become an industrial giant. The 1950s arrived, and with them, a burgeoning automotive industry in India, signaling new opportunities. Seizing the opportunity, MRF transitioned from balloons to tires, marking a significant pivot in its business strategy. MRF diversified into conveyor belts, meeting the demands of a rapidly industrializing nation. Paints, even toys, showcasing its versatility and innovative spirit. Winning every round of high-stakes business bingo, solidifying its place as a leader in multiple industries.
MRF knew that to achieve global dominance, they needed alliances. Enter the Mansfield Tire and Rubber Company from the US. MRF absorbed this knowledge, constantly refining its processes, always striving for that next level of tire perfection. Staying ahead means innovating, pushing boundaries, constantly experimenting. MRF's dedication to research and development was unparalleled. They engineered tires, obsessed over every detail, like master craftsmen forging a legendary sword. High performance, durability, safety, these were non-negotiable tenets for MRF.
To prove their mettle, MRF took it to the racetrack, diving into motorsport. Rallying became their proving ground, a high-octane laboratory where their tires were pushed to the limit. All that real-world data fed back into MRF's development process, making their tires even better.
Let's talk branding. The MRF Muscleman is more than just a mascot. He's a symbol of strength, reliability, and performance. MRF sponsored major sporting events, backing winning teams, making their brand synonymous with excellence. It was a marketing masterclass, a symphony of brand building.
Ambition is a powerful thing, driving individuals and companies to reach new heights, and MRF had it in spades, channeling their ambition into a global strategy. They strategically expanded their reach to over 65 countries, forging alliances and establishing joint ventures. This built a robust global network. It was a calculated conquest, meticulously planned and executed, a testament to their unwavering belief in their product and vision. MRF's journey is a story of relentless pursuit and strategic brilliance. What separates the good from the great? The relentless pursuit of efficiency. MRF streamlined their manufacturing, fine-tuned their supply chain, and built new plants with precision. It was all about maximizing output without compromising on quality. Time to talk numbers. MRF's financial performance is impressive. Consistent revenue growth year after year, profitability that would make Wall Street drool. MRF wasn't just building a company, they were building an empire. Here's a little secret to building a lasting business. It's not just about the products you sell or the services you offer. It's about how you take care of your customers, ensuring their needs are met and their concerns are addressed promptly. MRF built an extensive service network, ensuring help was always at hand no matter where the customer was located. It was all about building trust, going the extra mile, and creating a relationship that went beyond mere transactions. Making sure every customer felt valued, appreciated, and heard was key to MRF's success. Through consistent efforts, MRF earned a reputation for reliability and quality, becoming a trusted name in the industry.
Building a legacy isn't just about profits and market share. MRF has been actively involved in community development, supporting education, healthcare. They embraced sustainable manufacturing, becoming champions of environmental conservation. MRF strives to be a responsible business.
So there you have it, folks, the MRF story. From humble beginnings to global domination, it's a tale of vision, hard work, and entrepreneurial spirit. Until next time, keep those wheels turning and those dreams alive.